Hey everyone, I'm gonna be talking about the radiator in this video, and I'll put description what radiator I used. It is meant for, I think I looked it up in Champion and it was the A100 6-cylinder. I had to find a different hose for the bottom. Can't see right now because I don't have my lights on, but I did manage to find one that worked well, that wasn't the stupid steel one. I also have been doing work in the front, grinding off the rust, found some holes. That's wonderful. Got the windshield out so I can work on all of the stuff going on here. And I got the back painted white. That's my makeshift seat. Got the battery cables fixed up so I can hook up the battery. Finally a red and a black. They were all black. So it's looking pretty good. Getting progress, and figured I'd give a quick once over of everything I've been doing. Got all of the stuff on. I still need to get this welded together and figure that whole situation out, or replace it, either way. But yeah, here we are. Everything's hooked back up. It'd start. It'd get me to work if I needed it to. So yeah, not much else. Just been busy. Got all the things going on at once. So if there's a delay in between videos, it's just because I'm a busy person. Got a lot of things happening. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.